Hi again, and welcome back to our video tutorial series for how to create a website through our local Business First site editor. Today, we will be reviewing Global Design. The Global Design section lets you make global changes that affect your entire website. You can customize your site's text, buttons, images, background, and navigation widgets from this menu. This allows you to quickly and efficiently make sweeping visual changes, which reduces the design time and keeps your site style consistent across each page. So to do this, click on the Design button in the top left corner to open the Global Design panel. You can edit your text, buttons, images, global rows, site background, and site layout from this menu. So first, let's go in and change the global text. So here you can start to change your paragraph font size. So I'll go in and change this to one that matches our local Business First theme a bit better. Oops, wrong one, my apologies. And there it is, and you'll see it automatically changed. So if I scroll down to my first paragraph, you can see that it automatically applied those changes. Can also go in and change the font size, make that a bit bigger. I can also change the font color here. I'll select that teal color. Here you also have the option to change the link text color. So I'll go ahead and for now just leave it this orange color. You can also change the properties of titles by making edits under the global titles. The H1, H2, and H3, and so on, refer to the headings and subheadings in your entire website. So let's go ahead and change the font size and color for H1. So I'll make this match our previous one. And I'll go ahead and make this a teeny bit smaller as well. And then I can also change the font color to match the rest of my text. I actually don't have an H1 on this page, so that's why you're not seeing any changes immediately happen here. And then you can do the same for the rest of your headings as well. So now let's go in and change the global buttons. So here we have the option to change the button style. And you can choose sharp corners, so a rectangular square, rounded edges, or ones with kind of different features around them. But I do really like the rounded button, so I'm going to go ahead and keep that, and you can see it right here. You can also go in and change the background color for a button, so let's see what it looks like if we make it a bit lighter. And I think I did like, oops. Entered in my column design now, so I need to go back my buttons, and I'll just go back and change it to that teal color. And we also have the option to do a hover background color. So this is the color when you hover over the button like that. I'll go ahead and make it the orange color as well. You can see that that's working. So now we can go right into the site layout. When you click on this, you'll be given the option to completely alter your site's layout from the original template. So now after clicking that one, we can see a sidebar menu was created here on the left side. We can go back in and do an expandable menu to see what that would look like. And you can now see that all of the pages are now kind of tucked away within this expandable menu here. So I'll go back up to the top. So changing your navigation's layout often affects the behavior of your header and sometimes the rest of your website. So just be really mindful of this if you decide to change your site layout later in the design process. It's important to note that changes you make to specific widgets or pages will override all of your global styles as well. So for this reason, we recommend that you first decide on a global style and afterward make customizations to parts of your site that you want to stand out or look a bit different than the rest. And that's global design. Make sure you tune into our next video to learn more about how to manipulate and design your website header.